indeed tells the struggles of a man in 1 minute. Okay, just watch this video closely with me. Look closely. There is a male bed under the rain, fully drenched, probably shaking, but nobody is seeing it. Lonely and no one to talk to. Look closely again. You could see he's actually holding a leaf with his beak. That leaf might be very heavy, but not to protect himself, but to protect his family. Look closely again. That same leaf, which he's using to protect his family, has totally divided him from this family. When the family looks up, they can't see him. They can't see the hard work he's doing. They can't see what he's putting into. All right? I can imagine the kids when they look left, when they look right, and when they ask, where is daddy? Daddy is never around. I can imagine their mother feeling lonely and responding back, don't mind him. He's probably enjoying somewhere. Why we stay here all alone? I can imagine these kids replying back to their mother saying, Mommy, we love you, regardless, for always being with us.